Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove the watermark in TikTok to export it legally. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use a TikTok video and you want to download it but you don't want the watermark, this is a simple and easy method. So first of all, if you want your own video as a watermark free video, then you can simply download your video automatically and it will come without watermark as it is your own video. But if you want to download someone else's video but without watermark, you can tap on the share button, tap on copy link, and then go to any web browser and type in TikTok downloader without watermark. Once you have done this, you can find different third-party websites which will help you do this. Now you need to simply insert the link you have copied and tap on the download button. Now you will get different kind of videos in HD, UHD quality that are completely legal and you can simply download it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.